Pastor Kevin with Take Your Time Out. I'm here at James River High School. The Knights have a big win tonight against Narrows High School in a benefit game. I'm here with one of the receivers for James River, Justin Stevers. Justin, you had a big night tonight. 2 touchdowns. So receiving, awesome night defensively, several tackles, and really you came up and filled the hole, seemed nice. Talk about the defensive effort of the Knights.
We played pretty good on defense. We need to step it up though for next week, but we did pretty good.
Now, when you think about the offense for James River, looks like the Knights came out and ran the ball a little more than what we've seen in past years. Do you think that's something that'll happen as we go forward to the season?
If it works, yeah. One touchdowns.
No doubt. It's about touchdowns. Now, let's talk about you personally, and let's talk about your effort. I know you had 2 touchdowns. Talk about that first touchdown early there in the first quarter.
I was running a fade, and then there was no one around me. I put my hand up, and Kyle put it right on me in the end zone.
Wonderful. Well, Justin, I know that the James River Knights are expecting big things this year. Congratulations on a big win on the benefit game. This is Pastor Kevin with Take Your Time Out.